My name is Colin Hitchman, Constituency Secretary for Eastern Westmoreland. I support Mark Golding because of his proven track record in Parliament. Also, looking at the way he demonstrates his representation skills for his constituency, I think that this man is really a man who is on a mission. He is respected in all sectors of the society. I think he is really an asset to the party. He is really the right man at the right time to lead us to the redemocratization of the party, rebuilding the institutions, rebuilding the organizations, getting systems to work again, and putting groups at the center of all that we do. I support Mark Golding. On November 7, go with Golding.
Go with Golding.